Okay, so I'm gonna do a review on the eye wash station that you're gonna purchase. These ones are actually a lot cheaper than the other ones when you the big green ones. So get this one. I'll put all the links in the description below. Click through. It helps my channel out, helps me out, and I'll put all the description of this. You know, it says how it's the ANSI approved and how many gallons and all that other good stuff. So, but they're cool, easy mountable. They squirt water. Watch, just fine, and they mount pretty easy. A couple little brackets in the back, bolts in the back, and it goes right in the handle. And there you go. There's a review. I haven't had to use one yet, unfortunately. So, yeah, go buy you one or two.